for the free fall of being younger. I memorize the sound of your barefoot steps, running wild. It's been a long time. Life has